How to build wealth faster than 95% of people. Most people believe building wealth takes decades of luck, privilege, or extreme intelligence. But what if the real reason 95% of people never build wealth isn't because they can't? What if it's because they're playing the wrong game entirely? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why most people stay stuck financially and how a small shift in strategy can put you ahead of almost everyone you know. Millions of people work hard every single day. They earn salaries, start side hustles, save money, and still feel like they're running in place. They're busy, but not progressing. Moving, but not advancing. Here's the uncomfortable truth most people never hear. Hard work alone does not build wealth. Structure does. In this video, I'll show you how to build wealth faster than 95% of people. Not through hype, shortcuts, or risky schemes, but through timeless principles used by consistently wealthy individuals across generations. These ideas are drawn from decades of wealth psychology, financial behavior, and real-world patterns taught by thinkers like Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, Robert Kiyosaki, and Jim Rohn. This is Wealth University, where money finally makes sense. But before we break it down, if this video adds value to you, like it, share it with someone who needs financial clarity, and subscribe to Wealth University for calm, practical wealth-building wisdom you won't hear anywhere else. Now let's get into it. The average person believes wealth is about earning more money, so they chase promotions, they add side hustles, they work longer hours. But here's the trap. If your strategy is earn more, you'll always be behind someone who earns less but builds better systems. Wealth is not built by speed, it's built by direction. Most people increase income without increasing structure. So every raise disappears, every breakthrough creates new pressure, and financial stress quietly follows them to every new level. To build wealth faster than 95% of people, you must stop playing the income game and start playing the ownership game. Principle Hashone. Wealth is built on assets, not income. Income feels powerful. Assets are powerful. Income feeds your lifestyle. Assets feed your future. An asset is anything that puts money in your pocket or grows in value whether you show up or not. Businesses, investments, systems, ownership. Most people focus on how much they earn. Wealthy people focus on what they own. If you want to move faster than 95% of people, ask this question constantly. Is this decision increasing my ownership or just my expenses? Principle #2. Build systems before you build lifestyle. One of the fastest ways to fall behind financially is upgrading your lifestyle too early. New income, new car, new phone, new spending. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it silently kills wealth. Wealthy people delay comfort. They build systems first. They let assets pay for lifestyle, not income. The poor say, "I deserve this now." The wealthy say, "My future deserves more than my present pleasure." If you reverse this order, wealth accelerates naturally. Principle #3. Learn to buy time, not just things. Poor people sell time for money. When time stops, money stops. Wealthy people use money to buy time and then use that time to create more systems. They outsource, they automate, they simplify. If your income depends entirely on your presence, you don't own a business, you own a job. Wealth compounds when your time is no longer the bottleneck. Principle #4. Think exponentially, not linearly. Most people think like this: if I work more hours, I'll earn more money. That's linear thinking. Wealthy people ask, How can one decision pay me repeatedly? Linear effort hits ceilings. Exponential systems break them. Investments, leverage, compounding. To beat 95% of people, stop asking how to work harder and start asking how to scale results without scaling effort. Principle #5. Master money psychology before money mechanics. Money doesn't create discipline, it reveals it. Higher income doesn't fix bad habits, it exposes them. If someone can't manage 100,000 well, 1 million will only magnify the problem. Wealth begins with behavior, not digits. Tracking, intentional spending, clear priorities. Money flows toward clarity. It avoids chaos. Principle #6. Respect compounding ruthlessly. Most people underestimate compounding because it feels slow. But compounding is not slow, it's silent. Small amounts invested consistently over time beat big amounts done emotionally. Time is an asset. Consistency is a weapon. Fast money creates fragile wealth. Slow systems create durable freedom. Principle #7. Separate ego from money. Many people use money to prove something, to impress, to validate, to compete. Wealthy people use money as a tool, not an identity. When ego controls money, wealth leaks. When clarity controls money, wealth compounds. The goal isn't to look rich. It's to become financially unshakable. Principle #8. Track everything that matters. What you don't track, you can't grow. Wealthy people measure cash flow, expenses, net worth, risk, returns. Poor people guess. Wealthy people know. Clarity creates control. Control creates speed. Principle #9. Plan before life. Most people react to money. Bills arrive, they panic. Emergencies happen, they scramble. Wealthy people plan ahead. They expect expenses. They build buffers. They create margins. Planning removes fear from money. Principle #0. Focus on keeping money, not just making it. Not just making it. Earning is important, but keeping is everything. Taxes, inflation, bad decisions, lifestyle creep. Wealth isn't what you make, it's what survives. Those who build systems to protect money always outpace those who only chase income. The final truth. Here's what most people never hear. The wealthy are not smarter. They are not luckier. They are not special. They simply do different things consistently and ignore what doesn't build wealth. Wealth is not an event, it's a direction. And today, you've just been shown how to move faster than 95% of people calmly, intentionally, and sustainably. If this brought clarity, subscribe to Wealth University, where we break down money, mindset, and mastery without hype or confusion. This is where wealth becomes clear. See you in the next lesson.